Hi, I'm Pat Ogle with the Annapolis Homes for You team here at Champion Realty. And this is our very first video blog. And we're going to start off with a really important one, and that is time is running out. You only have to November 30th to use the $8,000 tax credit, which means you have to settle by November 30th, not buy a house before November 30th. So if you want to get the tax credit, you need to buy a house within the next 3 weeks. This is October the 7th. Now, some people are saying that Congress might, in fact, extend it. Well, if you're willing to bet $8,000, then you can go right ahead. I, myself, would never bet $1 on anything Congress might do. So I'm Pat Ogle. It's time to buy. Give me a call at 410-224-0660.